Morning. It's Tuesday and we're off to the water park with Blizzard Beach this morning. Had a really good time at the fireworks last night. The Galactic Spectacular Dessert Party was really good. It's a lot of money. It's about $300 for 4 of us. A bit less maybe. But it was really good. Plenty of food, plenty of alcohol. And but the best bit was the place we sat and watched fireworks. We were right at the front. It was fantastic. It might rain this afternoon, so we'll get to go to the beach this morning, Blizzard Beach, for a few hours, and then see what happens. This evening we've got Cellier. Looking forward to a nice bit of steak. And I'll take the GoPro on the rides in Blizzard Beach, so I won't take this camera. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Wave. You right hand? Ah. I don't think I've ever had it when there hasn't been 3 people in here. Don't you think? There's always been 3. They've always squished somebody else in.
Yeah.
I'm not ready to be wet though.
I definitely think the slide has been bigger than this.
I think you're right, yeah.
Also less safe, but
yeah.
I just remember they literally went like that, like an L shape.
That looks terrifying up there.
Yeah. It just looked like they hurt. I would do it if it didn't hurt as much.
Yeah, but it does hurt, so there's no point, is it? It's not enjoyable when it just knacks you back. Help, mummy! Come on, Liz, you can do it. Hannah's face. Ah!
It's really wet.
Backwards, Annie, backwards!
It's just cold.
It is cold. It's quite nice fun. Leslie's going to go backwards on the last bit. That was funny. Oh, that was funny. Oh, oh no, get in the middle, get in the middle. You're holding on to me. Oh my god, it's quite strong. Find you another one. Oh, thank you. That's really kind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. That's great. Oh. Not getting in it? Why? Rescue your sister. Oh, go and rescue her. I'll come and get you, Isabel. Oh, I'm going to scrape my knees. Come in. I can't, it's too shallow. Come Oh, God. I
think it's probably best if you live so you don't get swept by Dad's beach. Maybe just get out and ride it like this. Where's Hannah gone? Hannah's upside down. Your father. Just put your head in it, it's easier. But don't scrape your knees, it's quite shallow. Right, I'm not saying you're holding your day. Rescue your daughter. Oh. I'm not rescuing you, you'd be waiting. Get off! How do you have to?
Where are we going?
We are going to Epcot and we are eating in
Cellier.
Cellier.
Signature dining. So 2 table service credits.
Nice steak.
Hopefully filet mignon. Hannah's probably, I don't know, chicken nuggets probably. No, it's open. No, no.
So you can see the other things.
You're right. Oh yeah, they must be taking them down. Bought Hannah some socks, didn't we? Your feet are rubbing a bit, so that'll be nice. Let's have a look at them. Cute.
With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Please watch your children.
Oh, there we go. All right, girls.
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Let's watch your children. I'm watching you.
It also brings with it the dawn of great
So Ham, we're off to the Cellier for dinner. You didn't have any lunch, did you? So you're hungry now? You can have steak? Is gonna have steak?
Obviously.
No, I was trying to.
Yeah. You're hungry. We did Mission Space. Hannah did the orange one. That was good. Did Test Track as well. That was fun.
Just to clear everything, green one is the less scary, orange is way more scary.
Yeah, you did the orange, didn't you? So that was good. Yeah, so now we're going to go and have a steak, see what it's like. It does smell nice. What's that? I think it's a popcorn you can smell.
It's not popcorn because I smell
It is sweet, unless it's sweet popcorn.
What is it?
I don't know.
Well, if it's gonna rain, let's get our things on. Let's get our things on.
They do have poutine. No, it was in there, down there. Where you get to oh, nearly broken nail. Hi. How are you? Hi, we have a 10 to 8 reservation.
Joanne?
That's it, yeah.
Perfect. For 3 adults and 1 child, is that correct?
We're on the dining plan for adults.
4 adults?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Remember, it's 2 dining crowns per person?
Yeah.
Thank you for following my directions. Not everybody's that capable at this point in their Disney day. You never really know. How has the day gone so far, by the way?
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah.
Not with us all day.
No, just this evening.
You came all the way back here just to dine in Canada?
Indeed. Thanks. Thank you. Oh. You fancy.
Thank you. Thank you. Has anybody had the chance to
Thank you.
us here at the Cellier?
No, we haven't, no. Yeah.
Welcome. Happy to
Oh, you won't like that. It's all sorts of that.
Or you did. But it was this the whole way.
Well, you can have something off the kids' menu, it's up to you.
Very much like a wild.
So, filet mignon for us three, and I think Hannah's going to have the steak and frites, but just with nothing on it.
Hannah, you struggling?
What are you having, Han? Food? Which food? Steak. And mashed potato. Perfect. Is?
I'm having a filet mignon with mashed potato.
Mashed potato? Why aye? Steve? Yeah, as it comes? Yeah, me too.
Chef recommends.
That's nice, try
Let me
it.
try that. What is this, Suze?
It's like an apple cranberry Scotch thing.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah.
Silverado Cabernet Sauvignon. I'll give you a taste of it first.
Yeah. It's good, yeah?
Diane Disney family used to own the vineyard there, so it's actually a Disney family.
Oh, is it really? Oh, wow, okay. Here. Is it nice? Let me try it. A tiny glass worth. Oh no, that's lovely. Oh, that's really good.
Reminds me of the full
Yeah, yeah. $21 of them.
No.
Wasn't it? Oh, I thought maybe. Oh no, that's got smack you in the face wine. I like that.
Yeah, that's right.
How's your Coke, can? Canadian cheddar cheese soup. Haven't brought any bread out yet. You want to try some? No? I should have filmed the bread, but the girls got in there before I could finish. Is it nice, Hannah? The butter nice too? How about yours? Have a look. It's good. The soup is really good. A bit spicy. So you've got New York strips, mashed potatoes, filet mignon with risotto. Isabel's tucking in already. Why is that on the top?
I don't know. Oh, it's the guy who's it's based on.
Oh, it's Toy Story. Look at that, little maple leaf. Try it then. God, it's huge, huh?
I know.
Come on, try.
Do you want to break it?
Go and tap it, see if it snaps. Yeah.
Snap it. It's like glass.
They're good.
That's my face.
Tough.
Yeah.
See?
Right?
The taste of. Don't you like it? It's coconut, isn't it? I think you have to eat it all together as well. And what it's like. Try it all together with the ice cream. So we've tried the fancy dessert. Me and Isabel decided it tastes like something you get from Lidl at Christmas, from the continent.
I like it.
So it tastes like something you get at Lidl at Christmas time, that
No.
slightly Dodge Continental.
I think it's nice. Whereas the California Grill stuff, I really don't. So
Yeah, that was a tiny part of it at California Grill. It's not competition. I just don't like that dessert. Hannah, how's yours? You like yours? You're welcome. Pretty, isn't it? Good.
Wear them tomorrow. Very cute.
Oh, creepy. Yeah. Dancing. Like Pandora.
Can you touch? Can you take a photo? I mean, could you take this? Ready?
Oh, you want me to take a photo? Oh, you like things.
It's on the monitor. They used to light up the...
Ah, yeah. They look quite nice now with nothing on there.
Yeah, it is cool. I like it.
Oh, it's quite bright though.
Yeah, look for my eyes.
Wednesday morning, off to Animal Kingdom and shopping today, Hannah, yeah? Good. Maybe. Still full from Cellier last night. That bill was nearly $400. That's a lot of money. Morning, Hannah. Just us on the bus. Looking forward to Animal Kingdom. Looking forward to Flight Passage. Nemo and Expedition Everest, all good.
what time's Nemo?
11:30.
You still do Everest?
Yeah, no, that's the point, yeah. Ever listen in the real world, Isabel. What? Hope to do tomorrow. Can't wait. A grey cloud though. It's not supposed to rain till 2, but I'm not convinced. Starting to rain. Great. Trees looking nice there.
Yeah.
So we got fast pass for Everest now. If it doesn't go down because of the rain. Busy. This is the Yeti. What's your favourite ride, Han, in all Disney? You don't have one? Tower Terror?
Or Flight Passage.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree with you actually, both of them. See if our name's up there. Yeah? Space, yeah?
Please sit down immediately.
Yeah.
Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y por favor, cuide a los niños.
Think so?
inside the train. And please supervise children. Miembro del equipo de expedición Everest. Una vez a bordo, coloquen sus efectos personales en la bolsa delante de la silla para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
So we use 5 snack credits in flame tube barbecue, pulled pork and cheese loaded fries, onion rings, yeah, all these snack credits. It's not bad, is it? Got a good seat.
Anna?
Really good. Best?
Yeah.
And we were standing in the front, weren't we? Yeah. So it was really good.
My best. Like Disney show.
Come on then, Han.
No, it's
Bottom as well, either one. No, you have to bang it, yeah. Watch out, it comes out the top. Come in. Oh, they walked into you, got to give them a bit of warning. Can't just pull up sharp, like Grandma did. This way, Danny. Does look so cool though. Think around. What was that?
I know all my bits painted blue. For like the full one.
You buy some blue, I'll paint it blue for you. And I won't charge you $50. Look at it, it's so cool. It's hot. Your fast pass is for 9:10, 1:10. I don't know what time it was. Really nice to walk past everyone. In a smug way. Not very charitable way. Oh. Bit of aircon. Oh, it's a long way. That's where we stopped last time, wasn't it? Stopped about here last time.
You're all the way into the room and stand on the number you were given.
Got a good view there, Han.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me?
Yes.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great.
It's a quick show.
Now let's go over how all this works.
It's always good, isn't it? Best thing you remember? What do you think Flight Passage is?
I really liked it. It's one of my favourites, along with Terra.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good fun. It's good fun. Right, we're off shopping now. I'm going to go and get an Uber.